What's up everyone and welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna show you how to install and use dataloader. We believe it is a powerful tool for data import and export in Salesforce. But before we get right into it, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Okay, first off, all you gotta do is go to the browser that you have. So Salesforce is compatible with all browsers like Brave, Safari, Microsoft Edge. Right now I'm using Google Chrome. Okay, so go to salesforce.com. If you don't have an account, please create one. And once you've successfully create your account, then all I gotta do is log in using your credentials. And once you log in, you will see all the interface here with your dashboard. Now, if you wanted to install data loader, it's a different steps. All you gotta do is type into go to developers.salesforce.com, right? Okay, and then once you are there, you will be given a lot of instructions here, like what is it? Basically, data loader is a client application for bulk import or export your data. So here you can insert, update, delete, or export Salesforce records. And then you can also use data loader in two different ways. Here there's a lot of things that you can see here, but may I tell you that when you use data loader to perform bulk updates, insertion, and deletions of records in Salesforce, basically what you are doing is you are mapping fields between your data source, typically a CSV file, and Salesforce objects. This means you can transform data to fit within your Salesforce schema, right? How cool is it? And also over time, data in Salesforce can become outdated or contain errors. Data loader is an essential tool for cleaning up and maintaining the quality of your data. Basically, you can import data from external sources into Salesforce or export data from Salesforce to external databases, right? And because manual data entry or updates can be time consuming and error prone, so data loader automates these processes for you guys, improving efficiency and reducing the risk of human error. Okay, so all you gotta do is once you have that, you can browse for trials and you can install it. And here are the supported Windows version, Windows 10, Windows 11. And when you install data loader in Salesforce, it is essential to know that managing and maintaining data within Salesforce organization will offer a reliable and efficient way to import, export, transform, and manage data, which is fundamental to keeping your Salesforce instance up to date and accurate. How cool is it? And also, I just wanted to let you know that you can schedule data operations in data loader to run at specific times, making it efficient for automating data updates or sometimes for data retrieval tasks. So once again, it's a powerful tool, really. I've been using data loader for quite some time. Let me tell you, it's been really helpful for me to compensate for some time. And yeah, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks.